I just pulled over on the side of the road, going to enact lunchtime. Well, lunchtime, it's 1:30, so we're a bit past lunch, but we're going to fire up the old oven. So plug that in now, get some power going. There. Got one more travel pie left, so we'll throw him in. Shit's coming out the freezer. Shit's coming out the freezer everywhere. Problem gets that layer of ice on there, it just slides. Clean that stain up before it goes to the top. I've been pretty much booking it once we left Hay now to get home, because getting tiring just sitting doing nothing and driving. So get our oven in here. What we got? 4 and 20 traveller pie, Philly cheesesteak, recommended by a little old lady in the supermarket. She reckoned it was the best of them. The other one was just a traditional pie, and then there was cheese and bacon, which I don't mind. But we'll fire that up. It's pretty much frozen right through, so we'll probably give it 45 minutes, and yeah, keep on trucking down the world. 45 minutes should nearly get us to Narrandera, or at least Darlington Point anyway, so we'll head down there and wait for this to cook. Rightio, here we are, main interchange just south of Narrandera. Turn this oven off, cut the power. Oh yeah, it's nice. Good thing with these two, they because the hot plate's on the bottom, it crisps up the bottom of the pies and that really well. You don't get soggy reheated stuff like if you were using a microwave. I don't know, the Travel Buddies, you've got a if you got the 2-level ones, they've got the grate in the middle, so I don't know how they'll go keeping stuff crispy, but we'll get this out of the way. These. So Narrandera, we're about 170 k's from home now, so the final stretch. Bottle of Coke to go along with it. All the healthy food in there, I'm still eating unhealthy on the road. Well, it could have been worse. I could have pulled in the Caltex across the road there. I could have pulled in and got a hamburger or something even worse. So I'm going to put that back there, get back in and keep on motoring for home.